Okay, so I made it to my 24th state, Washington. So now I get to put my sticker on the map. I hope you guys can see this. 24 states that I have actually explored, meaning I've camped in, or hiked in, or off-roaded in, or done all three in. I've obviously driven through some other states, but that's not how I'm marking this map off. So 24 states I've explored so far with my little one and my Jeep. How exciting! Yay, little one! It's my birthday weekend and my favorite human right there. Hi! My Aunt Cindy came all the way from Texas to come visit me and hang out with me for the weekend. So of course we had to find something to go and explore. So since we have a busy weekend, I was able to find something a little close to where we're staying. And yeah, this place is called Lucia Falls Regional Park. Hence the name Lucia Falls. There should be a waterfall somewhere, hopefully. So we're gonna go see if we can find this waterfall. This is a cute little place. Looks like it's over here, maybe. Oh, there's the water. Looks like we have found that blue-green aquamarine water again that I love to see, so that's pretty exciting. I'm glad we didn't bring our bathing suits. It says no swimming. It is a nice day today, hence me wearing short sleeves. It's been a while since I've been able to wear short sleeves. Guess I shouldn't go that way. I can hear the waterfall. Let's go check out this river. I have Aunt Cindy out here hiking. Can you hear it? Can you hear that? We found the waterfall. How pretty! know if you guys can tell exactly how clear that water is, but it is so clear. This reminded me of the Smith River. Like, look at that back there. You can see the rocks at the bottom. It's that clear. This is what amazes me. Wow. And this is just the beginning of my Washington trip right here. How beautiful. So the reason why you can't do any swimming here is because salmon use the Lucia Falls for an important part of their migration and spawning. If you swim in the water, people will disrupt the salmon while they rest. It's a fact because it's on this sign right there. What a beautiful little area. And it looks like they have like picnic tables, little fire rings, grills, charcoal disposal. I'm just glad I found a waterfall and got to share it with my aunt. And see some beautiful clear water.
Wow, look at that.
Look, guys, look. You guys see how clear that water is? It's crazy. I'm just so glad that I could share with my Aunt Cindy what my life is about. Give her like a little taste of what my life is about. Like, that is what my life is about. That is why I like this kind of stuff better than the ocean and everything. So she gets to come out here to beautiful Washington and Oregon and experience what I get to experience, like a little taste. So what did you think?
Oh, well, I definitely love it. It's peaceful out here. It's really beautiful. Gorgeous. So, it's worth the trip. And to spend it with my niece. Happy birthday!
Yes, that means a lot to me that she got to experience. And I'm glad we found a river that was so clear. Mm-hmm. And she could see that like aquamarine little tint on it. Those are my favorites. Little one, she doesn't really care too much. She just wants to bark at everybody that goes by, but
oh, and the trees are beautiful out here.
The trees
are huge.
This is why I like it so much better than the ocean, is because the rivers and everything in the forest, you have the colors, the different colors, and it's just, to me, it's just more peaceful. Well, I'm glad we found this little hidden gem today. It's so pretty.